Right, positive day, Givers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Change Project. Magandang Sunday evening sa lahat ng Givers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And one secret of success by Jack Ma. Yeah. Kanina kasi napanood ko si Jack Ma sa one of his videos. So, ang ganda nung sharing niya kanina in one of his interviews. Sabi niya, one secret of success is to, find smart people. Ang ganda, diba? Ang sabi niya, find. So, when you say find, you look for it intentionally. Intentionally do it. Okay? It should be one of your objectives. Isa sa mga pang-araw-araw mong layunin, monthly agenda, is to find smart people. Alright, you look for it. Hanap ka. Hanapin mo yung may smart people. Surround yourself with smart people. Okay? Alam niyo, minsan ang problem sa atin, kaya hindi tayo nagiging successful. We don't like smart people. Pagka smart, iniwasan natin. Masama ang isip natin, di ba? Pag magaling bumikas, mag-English, negative sa atin, di ba? Pag maraming new ideas, negative din tingin natin, di ba? Pag marami na-accomplish, maraming alam, iba tingin natin, niiwasan natin, ayaw natin, na-intimidate tayo, o na-insecure tayo, di ba? So, ano gagawin natin? Babalik tayo dun sa not so smart people around us, na kayang sumunod sa atin, na pareho kayo ng level, di ba? So, yun nangyayari. So, ending, anong klaseng buhay meron tayo? It's ordinary life also, because you are being surrounded by ordinary people. So, what will you expect? Ordinary ideas lang. And ordinary ideas will give you ordinary life, ordinary results. Diba? So, if you want to change your life, if you want to become successful, find smart people. Find smart people who are good into communication, people who are who have no ideas, people who have proven something in their life, people who are successful. These are smart people. Find them, okay? So, Dr. Ano ba pa, when you find smart people, there will be somebody in your inner circle to convert that idea into concrete something, into business, into project, into concept, di ba? So, yun yung role ng smart people sa'yo. I remember when a few years back, I'm surrounded with smart people, and one of the smart people na meron ako is Mama Ribi. Lahat talaga naisip ko, nako-convert niya sa ibang bagay, sa Pag meron akong naisip, okay, ganito lang yan, ito yung title ng seminar mo, ito yung title ng poster mo, it's a good thing. It's a good thing that I have when I was starting my career, my newfound career, sabi nga. Diba? So, lahat ng mga naisip ko, nakukonkretize niya. Diba? Rockstar sa kanya galing. Diba? G-Livers, sa kanya rin idea yan. Diba? So, smart people. And they can also help you to, to rise above the many challenges sa buhay natin. Diba? Sila yung nagpupush smart nga. Diba? They know what to do. Diba? They have solutions. Matatagang dibdib, hindi basta bibigay sa mga problems or anything, di ba? So, ang question ko sa iyo ngayon, are you surrounded with smart people? Or are you finding smart people? Or you tend to go back to ordinary people? Kaya ordinary lang din buhay mo. So, if you want to become successful, find smart people. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at mula dating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go.